Artoonza.
Hey there, future dentists and tiny art superstars! Did you know your toothbrush has been hiding serious artistic talent this whole time? Well, today, we're blowing its cover. We're drawing a tooth, a love heart toothpaste tube, and a toothbrush all glammed up to shine. Then we're going full glitter mode with blue, yellow, silver, and purple sparkles. Wow. Then cleaning up with our cheeky little vacuum. We'll drop some light green and yellow acrylic paint and top it off with gold, blue, and pink glossy polish so shiny your dentist might actually faint. Give us a big thumbs up. Grab your brushes, glitter, and your biggest smile because it's time to make Tooth Ally amazing sparkling art that'll make the Tooth Fairy super jealous. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. All right, artists, time to go minty fresh! We're dropping juicy light green acrylic paint drops straight from the dropper. And yes, they're as satisfying as popping bubble wrap. Now grab your brushes and spread that gorgeous green like you're painting the world's most delicious toothpaste commercial. Each stroke is smooth, each drop is perfect. And honestly, your tooth already looks cleaner than anyone who skipped brushing this morning. Keep going, future dental masterpiece artists. Give us your like. Now we're going gold. Slapping on gold glitter polish because your tooth deserves to shine like royalty. Bling level. Maximum.
Aww, so cute.
Blue glitter time. Brushing on blue glitter polish because every great tooth deserves ocean sparkle. Officially cooler than a polar bear in sunglasses. And now for the pink glossy polish. Because nothing says I take my dental art seriously like gorgeous glossy pink. Painting it on smooth, slow, and with the confidence of someone who definitely brushed this morning. Your toothbrush is blushing, your toothpaste tube is swooning, and your tooth? Absolutely fabulous.
Wow!
Last but never least, yellow acrylic paint time. We're dropping gorgeous yellow drops from the dropper and brushing them on like liquid sunshine. Grand finale, cherry on top, frosting on the toothpaste. Smash that like button now. Your masterpiece is almost complete and it looks Tooth Alley spectacular. Big kiss, superstars. Wait, don't go. Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.